Introducing Willen, the mighty portable speaker made to go everywhere. Built with one 2-inch full-range driver and 2 passive radiators, this speaker brings you the heavy Marshall sound you can't live without. High-fidelity Marshall tuning and solid instrument separation stands Willen head and shoulders above its competition. Willen comes with a top-of-class IP67 dust and water resistance rating, and rain or dirt won't stop the session. Willen is ready to roll whenever you are with a hefty 15+ hours of portable playtime on a single charge. Whenever you need to top up its battery, 3 hours of charging will bring it back to full power. If you can't wait that long, plug it in for only 20 minutes and you'll get 3 hours of playtime. Plenty for whatever the day might throw your way. With its flexible positioning, Willen is the ultimate multi-purpose speaker. Stand it up, lay it down, fix it to an object or let it hang out with its rubber back-mounted strap. The shortest distance between you and your music is Willen. Just pair and play without any complicated setup. Connect with Bluetooth 5.1 and control your music in the Marshall Bluetooth app, or enjoy a more hands-on experience by using the front-mounted multi-directional control knob. You'll find everything you need right there on the unit, including the Bluetooth pairing button and LED battery indicator, so you can keep track of the level. Stack mode raises the stakes with a sound larger than Willen. Amplify your sound with a multi-speaker session by connecting to other Willen speakers. Create a sound as big as your imagination. Make sure your voice is heard with Willen's built-in microphone. Answer and reject calls using the front-mounted control knob and enjoy some hands-free chat. Willen delivers on the promise of a more sustainable approach from Marshall. Its rugged build is PVC-free, and 60% of its plastic is post-consumer recycled from used electronics. Willen, mighty sound everywhere with 15+ hours of portable playtime.